show how easy it is to set up the SØPHIA system, specifically to monitor this area right here at the end. We have a router of the Raspberry Pi, Ethernet cord, separate power source right here in the vehicle, already on. So right here, we'll plug the Ethernet into the Pi. This is a stock Raspberry Pi with stock antenna and cheap Bluetooth antenna from Walmart, TP-Link. We'll hook this router or this Ethernet cord into the LAN port on our router. This gives us a private network, no Wi-Fi, no actual Wi-Fi service, just gives us a private network around the vehicle. It allows all the devices to talk to each other. We've got this SØPHIA node right here monitoring around the car right now. We got the power source, we got the cheap router, Ethernet cord, second power source. We got the power cable for the router. Okay, we'll go ahead and get this. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to hook this laptop to this router, just like you would hook a laptop to your home router. All right, second thing we're going to do is we are going to pull up the terminal. We are now hooked to the Pi, so we're going to fire up the SØPHIA node. One command, enter, and all right, we're running. Here's the Bluetooth. All right, so right now we have the whole system running. We've got a power source right here. We've got the laptop that's visualizing the data on the Raspberry Pi up here. We've got the Wi-Fi router. This is a cheap router. It is allowing, there's a node over here that you can't see. It's allowing that node to basically talk to the hub in theory. It's allowing all of the devices within range of the vehicle to be on the same private network. So eventually, each of the nodes will report their data basically to the hub via the router. The hub will correlate and analyze that data and then basically organize it visually in one nice layout. Because if you get like a vehicle that passes by the right rear node first, then front right node second, and then turns in front of the vehicle and left front node, then captures it all at different RSSI, signal strength, whatever. The hub can kind of correlate that info and give us a better radar plot, a better idea of how the data is moving. So that's the end goal here with the total system. And that system will run basically with a combination of cheap Raspberry Pi phones running SØPHIA. Cheap Android phones running SØPHIA, and then cheap Raspberry Pi nodes running the SØPHIA version and the hub. So there's three kind of forms of SØPHIA going on right here. You've got the Android version running on the phone. You've got the Raspberry Pi version. It's individually scanning just like the phones are. There's no radar aspect to it. And then you've got the hub, which the goal of the hub is to ingest each node's data into one centralized place, correlate, analyze, and then nicely visualize that data in one place. That way you get a better understanding of how the data is kind of operating in your environment.